Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Buick Verano. Buick Verano is a compact car built on the Delta II platform, designed and built from the ground up with the idea of it being a Buick, and is priced below $10,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, heated seats, Bose sound system, traction control, XM satellite radio, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, power steering, aluminum wheels. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.